Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo man out here in Kenny's garage, and boy, have we been busy this week. We are working on Larry. As you can see the frame behind me there. Not much has got done on the frame, but bodywork, boy, we have made strides. Not as far along as we wanted to be, but we are definitely further along than we were. Check out what we've got done here so far.
To 85 inches of snow.
To take off that decal. What that does, if you take that off with a scraper, chances are you're going to get into the paint. And when you get into the paint, we got to feather it all out. This way it seems like a lot of work, but it definitely makes the body work a lot easier. So we got the doors painted again. Looking good there, eh? These will have to be blocked out again. And yes, we definitely got the bed sprayed. Like you guys saw there, everything is looking high and mighty. Got to get everything blocked out because, as KJ just pointed out to me, there are a couple little dings still in that bedside. Nothing that blocking it out won't find. And we can be able to take care of it with that. Go over here and check this side out. We didn't do the inside of the bed because KJ will be bed lining that. No sense of wasting paint. And here is that driver's side. Same thing on the cab there. The door should be done once I get it blocked out. Everything should be kosher. See if we can get a look down this one. Yeah, it actually looks pretty good. They'll both look that good when we're done with them, once we get them all blocked out. I'm very happy with it so far. This is going to be a fine looking truck. All right, so yeah, we're real happy with what we got done this week. Again, we would have liked to have got a little bit more done, but I mean, we're only two guys. We're only working 2 to 3 hours a night, so. We are headed to the house. I'm going to get this video edited. That way you'll have something for tomorrow. Make sure you check out all the other stuff here on Larry. And join us on a live sometime. We've been doing lives pretty consistently here. I will not be working on the truck Monday or Tuesday. I'll be out for work and then back on Wednesday. So we're shooting to get this thing painted next weekend. That all depends on what I can get out here and get done tomorrow. So we'll see you all later. Your Mongo Man is out. Thanks for being with us. Love you guys and appreciate all the support. God bless you. So the other day I had a guy on here. He said that I was doing it old school without guide coat. Well, he's right. I am kind of doing it old school without guide coat, but that's because it's really not necessary. But I want to show you guys, if you can see, oh yeah, it comes up real good. See this right here? It's a low spot. This, of course, is a high spot because I've sanded all the paint off of it. High down through here, this was all low. That's why I had to put some spot putty in there. And what I did was I just forgot to put spot putty in here last time. What I'm gonna do to show you guys is how guide coat really works. Rah! This is the guide coat that I use. Duragold Guide Coat Black. Almost like somebody had sanded a black vehicle and then saved all the powder off of it. So this area right here that I know is low, all you got to do, I'm going to show you that right there too. So the next time that I do this and block this thing out, I'll coat everything in guide coat so that I can really find the low spots. All right, so you see the difference in the guide coat, regular. So a lot of guys, they use paint as guide coat, which is cool, but I've done 3 vehicles with this right here, and this I think cost 20 bucks. Like I said, 200 on the block. With this primer I'm using, it fills this 200 up pretty quick. So I got a stainless steel wire brush that I clean it out with. Now, right away you'll be able to tell what's going on with the scratches. So that's all really good. Then we're going to start coming up into this. Now, I have to make a decision. Can I get that low spot out of there by continuing to sand? Or do I need to come back over with like a spot putty? So, as you can see here, and this shows it up really well, all of this is good and flat. This looks like it's really high through here because I've got all the paint off of it. And from that, what I can tell here though is whenever I put that guide coat on there is I didn't wipe it off of here right away. So this is really level. Very, very, very close. This little area right here around this is also low. So I think I might be able to get this one out by sanding because I've already got some light scratches over the top of it. This side over here, well, fortunately enough, there's going to be the lower bracket for the mirror goes over that, and you'll probably never see it. But we're going to see if I can get that out of there just so that you guys can see what it looks like. So yeah, so you saw this whole area here. From there, that was all covered in that black powder. And you can see how I've scratched it all off of there, and I found this low spot and this low spot. I can see this little bit of spot putty right here, that I got a little low spot through it yet. Now that, I don't even know if that's a low spot or if that's maybe just a discoloration in that putty, because I cannot feel it to save my life. I'm willing to bet I'll be able to get that out with the next coat of high fill and build. Mongo just pawn in game of life.